Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Begin by defining the nutrient profile and daily dose for one tablet. List vitamins and minerals with exact amounts in mg or IU, for example 5,000 IU vitamin D, 60 mg vitamin C, 400 mcg folic acid, and 18 mg iron if included. Decide tablet total weight, commonly 500 mg to 1 g per tablet. Choose excipients, binders, fillers, disintegrants, lubricants, and coatings. For compressibility, use 40% to 60% microcrystalline cellulose. Ensure total formulation balances potency, stability, and manufacturing performance. Weigh each ingredient precisely on a scale with at least 0.01 g accuracy and record batch yields. Pre-sieve powders through a 500 to 800 micron mesh to remove agglomerates. Blend active vitamins, minerals, and excipients for 10 to 20 minutes in a V-blender or high-shear mixer to ensure homogeneity. If needed, granulate using wet granulation with 10% to 20% binder solution, then dry to 2% to 5% moisture content. Compress the resulting powder or granules at 10 to 30 kN per tablet, then measure hardness, friability, and disintegration. Implement quality control tests for every production batch. Assay potency of key actives to confirm they fall within 90% to 110% of label claim, and adjust future mixing if needed. Perform disintegration testing to ensure tablets break apart, typically under 30 minutes, and run dissolution to match expected release profiles in pharmacopoeia methods. Test hardness and friability to prevent chipping. Maintain good manufacturing practice. GMP records, label allergen and ingredient warnings, and retain batch documentation and stability data for at least 2 years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.